Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So in a previous video, I worked on some fencing pliers that had been stuck together and had a difficult time with it, but eventually I used leverage. I put some pipes on them and used leverage and got them open. So that gave me a little confidence, and I think probably I can do that again. And what I'm going to work on is I've got these pliers that I got at the flea market. You know, they're rusted shut. Can't get them, but the handle's great and it has a really good feel to it, and the rust doesn't appear to have pitted the metal that not badly, if at all. So maybe this will be something that I can fix up. Anyway, we're going to give it a shot. Thanks for watching. Let's do it. Well, these are done. I really like these pliers. They're great. They've got a handle on them that widens down here so that it fits in your hand just right. And now, of course, look at that. You hear that sound? That's a great sound. Anyhow, proud to have these. I'll put them in my toolbox and I'll probably use them a lot. So see you next time. Thanks.